Safety procedures and protocols. Hello folks, welcome to this lesson on safety procedures and protocols. Ensuring the safety of personnel and property is of utmost importance in any work environment. Safety procedures and protocols play a crucial role in minimizing risks and safeguarding the well-being of both employees and the general public. Understanding safety procedures. Safety procedures serve as detailed, step-by-step instructions designed to ensure compliance with safety standards and regulations. These procedures are meticulously crafted following a thorough risk assessment that identifies potential hazards associated with various tasks and work environments. For example, in a manufacturing setting, safety procedures may include guidelines on how to operate heavy machinery safely to prevent accidents. Key elements of effective safety procedures encompass clear communication of safety instructions to all employees. Regular training sessions are conducted to ensure that employees are well versed in following safety protocols. Continuous monitoring and evaluation of safety procedures are essential to identify areas for improvement and ensure ongoing compliance. In the event of any incidents, immediate reporting and response are critical to mitigating potential risks and preventing further harm. Importance of protocols. Protocols work hand in hand with safety procedures by outlining specific guidelines and responsibilities during emergency situations. For instance, in the event of a fire, protocols may dictate evacuation routes and procedures to follow to ensure the safety of all individuals present. By having well-defined protocols in place, organizations can facilitate swift and effective responses to unforeseen events, thereby minimizing harm and expediting recovery operations. In conclusion, safety procedures and protocols are indispensable components of a safe work environment. By adhering to these guidelines and continuously updating them based on feedback and leanings, organizations can create a culture of safety that prioritizes the well-being of all individuals involved. Defensive driving techniques. Defensive driving is a crucial form of training that equips drivers with the skills to anticipate potential hazards on the road and respond in a safe manner. It is a proactive approach that significantly contributes to road safety by reducing the likelihood of accidents. By practicing defensive driving techniques, employees not only protect themselves but also other road users.
Core defensive driving strategies. One of the fundamental strategies in defensive driving is maintaining focus. This involves staying alert at all times and keeping one's attention solely on the road. For instance, avoiding distractions like using mobile phones while driving is essential to ensure full concentration. Another key strategy is keeping a safe distance between vehicles. By maintaining a safe following distance, drivers allow themselves ample time to react in case the vehicle in front suddenly brakes. This distance varies depending on speed and road conditions. Speed management is also a critical aspect of defensive driving. Adhering to speed limits and adjusting speed according to weather conditions or traffic flow is essential. For example, reducing speed during heavy rainfall or foggy weather can prevent accidents. Anticipating hazards is a skill that all defensive drivers should possess. By scanning the road ahead for potential dangers such as pedestrians crossing unexpectedly or vehicles making sudden stops, drivers can proactively take evasive actions to avoid accidents. Clear communication through the effective use of signals is another important defensive driving strategy. Signaling intentions to change lanes or make a turn alerts other drivers, reducing the risk of collisions. Benefits of defensive driving. The benefits of practicing defensive driving are numerous. Firstly, it significantly reduces the risk of collisions by promoting safe driving practices. This not only protects the driver and passengers, but also other road users. Moreover, defensive driving helps in lowering vehicle maintenance costs by preventing accidents. Avoiding collisions and damages to the vehicle not only saves money, but also ensures that the vehicle remains in good condition for a longer period. Additionally, defensive driving contributes to improving overall road safety and efficiency. When more drivers adopt defensive driving techniques, the roads become safer for everyone, leading to smoother traffic flow and reduced congestion. Furthermore, practicing defensive driving encourages the development of safer driving habits. By consistently following defensive driving strategies, drivers become more aware of their surroundings and are better equipped to handle unexpected situations on the road. In conclusion, defensive driving is a proactive approach that enhances road safety, reduces accidents, and promotes responsible driving behavior. By incorporating core defensive driving strategies into daily practice, drivers can contribute to making roads safer for everyone. Safety inspections and maintenance. Regular safety inspections and equipment maintenance play a crucial role in ensuring the safe and efficient operation of workplace tools and vehicles. By conducting frequent checks, organizations can proactively identify and address potential issues before they escalate into accidents or breakdowns. Components of regular safety inspections. Visual inspection. When performing a visual inspection, it is important to carefully examine equipment for any visible damage or signs of wear. For example, checking for cracks in machinery or worn-out tires on vehicles can help prevent malfunctions. Functional testing, verifying that all mechanisms work correctly, is essential for ensuring the overall functionality of equipment. This can involve testing the brakes on a forklift or ensuring that a power tool operates smoothly without any unusual noises. Documentation review. Maintaining accurate records of inspections and repairs is key for tracking the maintenance history of equipment. By documenting findings and actions taken, organizations can establish a comprehensive maintenance log that aids in future decision-making. Compliance checks, ensuring that all safety standards and regulations are met, is non-negotiable when it comes to workplace safety. Conducting regular compliance checks helps organizations stay in line with legal requirements and industry best practices. Routine maintenance practices. In addition to safety inspections, implementing routine maintenance practices is essential for prolonging the lifespan of equipment and preventing unexpected failures. Performing regular oil changes and lubrication is vital for keeping machinery running smoothly. For instance, lubricating moving parts of a conveyor belt can prevent friction-related issues and extend its operational efficiency. Checking and replacing worn-out parts is a proactive approach to prevent equipment failures. By regularly inspecting components such as belts or hoses, organizations can address wear and tear before it leads to operational disruptions. Aligning and balancing wheels as necessary is crucial for ensuring the stability and safety of vehicles. Proper wheel alignment can enhance driving performance and reduce the risk of accidents caused by uneven tire wear. Inspecting electrical systems periodically is important to detect any potential malfunctions or hazards. By examining wiring and connections, organizations can prevent electrical failures that may pose safety risks to workers. Incorporating regular safety inspections and maintenance practices is fundamental for promoting a safe work environment and maximizing the longevity of equipment. By following a structured approach to maintenance, organizations can mitigate risks, enhance operational efficiency, and comply with regulatory requirements. Hazardous materials handling and transportation. The handling and transportation of hazardous materials demand stringent safety measures to prevent accidents and environmental contamination. Employees must be well-versed in proper handling techniques to ensure safety. It is crucial that individuals handling hazardous materials are equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to mitigate potential risks effectively. Types of hazardous materials. Hazardous materials encompass a wide range of substances, including chemicals, biological agents, radioactive materials, and flammable items. Each type presents unique challenges and hazards that require specific handling protocols tailored to their characteristics. For instance, when dealing with corrosive chemicals, it is essential to use appropriate protective gear such as gloves and goggles to prevent skin contact and irritation. Safe handling practices. To ensure safe handling practices, it is imperative to use appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE) in accordance with the nature of the hazardous material being handled. For example, when working with biohazardous materials, employees should don full-body suits, respirators, and gloves to minimize exposure risks. Understanding material safety data sheets (MSDS) is also crucial as it provides detailed information on the properties and potential risks associated with each substance. By familiarizing themselves with MSDS, workers can make informed decisions on how to handle, store, and transport hazardous materials safely. Proper storage is another critical aspect of hazardous materials handling. Storing materials in designated containers and areas helps prevent accidental spills, leaks, and exposure. For instance, flammable liquids should be stored in fire-resistant cabinets to reduce the risk of fire incidents. Transportation precautions. When transporting hazardous materials, labeling them clearly is essential for easy identification and handling. Additionally, following routing procedures to avoid densely populated areas can minimize the potential impact of accidents on the public and the environment. Ensuring that vehicles used for transportation are suitable and compliant with safety regulations is paramount to prevent incidents on the road. Regular safety drills and emergency response training for employees involved in transportation further enhance preparedness and response capabilities in case of unforeseen events. In conclusion, embedding a safety-first culture in all operations is paramount to safeguarding employees and assets. Comprehensive understanding and consistent execution of safety procedures, defensive driving practices, maintenance protocols, and hazardous materials handling techniques are integral components in achieving this overarching goal. By reflecting on these critical areas and continuously enhancing awareness and commitment to workplace safety, employees contribute to creating a safer environment for all individuals involved in handling and transporting hazardous materials. Thank you for taking this lesson on safety procedures and protocols. We hope to see you in the next lesson. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of trucking.